Welcome dear children. We go to study about bases. Last lesson in assignment 7.1 we study about some bases, that's milk of magnesia, soap, lime and toothpaste. That's the bases we mention in day-to-day life. Some bases in laboratory, you know what are that's sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Normally bases are in solid form. There is a gas ammonia. Ammonia is showing that basic properties. Ammonia is a gas that showing basic properties. Then we see what is a base. Base what is a base? Base in aqueous medium, bases are increase the hydroxyl ion concentration that contain in aqueous solution. There are plus and minus ion. That hydroxyl ion concentration is increased by basic solution. We will see that normally use basic solution in sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide NaOH in aqueous media that ionized in sodium plus ion in aqueous media and OH minus ion in aqueous media. And this is basic solution show that ionization reaction and increase the OH ion concentration in the aqueous solution. Basic solution also we classified in two groups. That's a strong basic and weak bases. Strong bases and weak bases. This basic solution, strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases and weak bases. What are the strong bases? Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Weak bases, ammonium hydroxide. We'll see what is a strong bases. What is strong bases in aqueous solution? That bases completely ionized in the OH and OH plus ion and OH minus ion and plus ion. That is the strong bases. potassium hydroxide in aqueous medium, potassium plus ion and OH minus ion. These ions are completely ionized in aqueous medium. That's called strong bases. In weak bases like ammonium hydroxide, that bases are partially ionized in the aqueous medium. Then we talk about properties of the bases. Most bases show the slimy texture as a soap. Slimy texture as a soap. Bases taste bitter taste, but do not touch or taste the bases in the laboratory. Bases, other features of bases are it's react with acid, produce salt and water. Produce acid and base react, produce salt and water. We'll see that sodium hydroxide, this is a base in aqueous media, and H2SO4, this is a acid, form sodium sulfate and water, liquid aqueous medium. And here 2, water 2. Then another feature, base turn the red litmus into blue. Base turn the red litmus into blue. Base. Right. Next, we normally use bases are alkalis. Some difference between the two words, bases and alkalis solutions. Alkalis solution, that is readily dissolved in water. That's you normally use sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide solution. That calcium hydroxide, lime water, that is not completely dissolved in water. It is not a alkali solution. Then we go to the uses of bases. First time, sodium hydroxide uses in production of soap, paper and artificial silk and paint production. Next one, used in laboratory as a strong acid. Next one, refining petroleum product. Next one is uses of magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide, common use suspension, magnesium hydroxide suspension, milk of magnesia is used as an antacid to relieve gastritis, acidity in stomach. Next one, uses of magnesium hydroxide, purification of molasses in sugar industry. That's the basis in your syllabus. Next time we will see salt and neutralization lesson. Thank you.